When given a question, which expression is equivalent to 3.2 times 3.2 times 3.2, and I have four options here, I need to determine which one makes sense with my problem. I notice that I have repeated multiplication. So if I look at each of my options and I evaluate each of my options, I should be able to determine which one has the same value. What I notice about A is I have 3 to the power of 2. Well, I know that 2 is an exponent and 3 is my base, so I recognize that that means 3 times 3. Well, 3 times 3 is not the same as 3 and 2 tenths times 3 and 2 tenths times 3 and 2 tenths. So A is not my option. When I look at B, I notice what I have is 3 times 3 and 2 tenths. So that parentheses tells me that I'm multiplying. This is not the same. This answer, 3 times 3 and 2 tenths, is not the same as 3 and 2 tenths times 3 and 2 tenths times 3 and 2 tenths. This is repeated multiplication, so we want to express this in another way. These A and B are not good options. When I evaluate C, well, I see that I have 3 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 3. Well, 3 to the power of 3 means 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. And 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Therefore, again, I can see, well, this is not the same. Then I would have 27 times 8. Well, that is not the same as 3 to the power of 3 and 2 tenths times 3 and 2 tenths times 3 and 2 tenths. So C is not a good option. When I look at D, I have 3 and 2 tenths raised to the power of 3. Well, 3 is my exponent. It tells me I have 3 factors of 3.2. 3 factors. I am multiplying here, so these are factors. So my answer here, when I evaluate this expression, would be 3 to the power, 3 and 2 tenths times 3 and 2 tenths times 3 and 2 tenths. So my option is D.